gonna drive our tractors and help Mommy water the flowers today.
Are you good?
Yeah.
Can
I go fast?
Yeah, go fast. Go that way. That was cool. Oh no, it's okay, look. You're okay. Just drive down the hill and then go up over there.
I wanna help you.
You can help me. Good job.
I got it all the way back. I have to go fast up that hill.
Yeah, you do gotta go fast up that hill. All right.
No, I'm doing it now. Okay.
Can you get those pretty red ones back there? Those ones are pretty.
Yeah, these white ones are so pretty.
Yeah. Do you want to turn, Livy?
First, I need to get these black ones.
All right. And then let Livy water these yellow ones.
Okay, here, ready. Here. Out of it. You have to do it to this. Do that. Like this. Put the thumb on it like that. And slide.
Your tractor's stuck on the hose. Can you drive it down?
Yeah, I will. Oh my goodness, I got this one.
You found one.
Yeah, the perfect greenish. Look how much I got already.
You've been working hard.
Yeah, I got a lot. Bye. Thanks for watching us. Drive our tractors. We have to get back. I have to get back to work and get apples. Bye.